Imagine standing at a crossroads where the past whispers and the future beckons with bright lights and bold designs. Ready for an adventure where history meets modern marvels? Welcome to Seoul, a city where age-old palaces share the skyline with gleaming towers, each telling their own story of a city forever on the move. Start your journey in Myeongdong, Seoul's bustling hub for shopping and street food. Dive into neon-lit streets packed with trendy shops and delicious bites. Myeongdong is a must-visit for foodies, shopaholics, and trendsetters. For lunch, head to Bucheon, UK, a beloved spot located in a corner of the well-established raw beef alley of Gwangjang Market. This eatery, which was recently recognized with a Bib Gourmand, is an institution for both locals and tourists alike. Must-try dishes include the Seoul-style raw beef bibimbap, which is prepared with fresh, locally sourced beef and seasoned with sesame oil and matchstick pears. After lunch, take some time to explore Gwangjang Market. It's a paradise for food lovers, with stalls offering Korean traditional street snacks like tteokbokki and more. Don't miss the bindae-tok, which is a mung bean pancake. It's a local favorite. As your day winds down, enjoy a leisurely walk to Lcap Hotel, which is just a stone's throw away from the vibrant Haehyun station.
환영합니다. Lcap Hotel입니다.
This hotel was designed by Jacques Garcia, a French architect best known for his contemporary interiors of Parisian hotels. It embodies the combination of le and escape, signifying a sweet escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Head to the 26th floor of Lcap Hotel, where you will find one Michelin star restaurant, Le Mans Secret. Enjoy an intimate, candlelit meal with Chef Son Jong-won's innovative Korean-style Western cuisine.
This is a tartlet made with rose petals, edible rose petals, preserved rose petals. Because if you go outside, the restaurant design is really romantic. Roses on the tables. And actually, it's one of the symbols of the restaurant. So this is the apple filled with the scallop and herbs from rooftop. So these are, the flower you saw. It's very herby, seasonal. French cuisine, I think no one can cook better French cuisine than French people. As a chef, I want to be a part of this movement too. I want to learn and implement this in the country I was born, and make it better.
Time for a nightcap. Head to Mr. Ans Craft Market. Here you'll find traditional Korean rice wine, aged liquors, tasty bites, and good vibes. The perfect spot to wind down after a long day.
안녕하세요. 한국의 다양한 전통주와 반주를 즐길 수 있는 안시 막걸리에 오신 것을 환영합니다. 저희가 만든 술이자 또한 이 병도 저희가 좀 제작을 해봤어요. 맛 자체는 좀 산도도 있고 단맛도 있기는 하지만 그게 결코 과하지 않아서 좀 많은 대중들이 드실 수 있도록 되게 균형감 있게 좀 만들어 봤습니다.
Kick off day 2 with a trip to Gangnam, the stylish and sophisticated part of Seoul. This area is full of chic boutiques and trendy cafes. It's also the place to both people watch and experience Seoul's glitz and glamour. Treat yourself to a delightful lunch at the 2 Michelin star restaurant Soigne, a culinary oasis celebrated for its exquisite blend of French and Korean flavors. Chef Lee Jun's creative dishes harmonizes tradition and innovation, offering a unique dining experience like no other.
스와니 레스토랑은 저희가 이제 한국 식습관을 베이스로 음식을 좀 많이 하려고 합니다. 단순한 어떤 뭐 한국 재료를 어떤 특정 나라의 조리법에만 단지 섞어서 만드는 게 아니라 어떻게 하면은 이 한국 사람이라는 거를 음식을 통해서 보여줄 수 있을까 많이 노력을 하는데 거기에 있어서 제가 선택하는 방식은 그냥 좀 인문학적으로 음식을 접근하려고 많이 합니다.
Don't miss sore escargot, an appetizer that features tender escargot on a bed of creamy truffle-infused egg custard, finished with a touch of green onion oil, pan-fried spinach, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. No trip to Seoul is complete without a visit to the majestic Han River. Lush parks, walking and biking tracks, river cruises, Han River is the perfect place to people watch and enjoy a picnic with friends. We suggest getting takeout from Mandu Jeep, a bib gourmand restaurant that's famous for its Pyeongan-do-style dumplings, prepared with minced beef, bean curd, mung bean sprouts, green onions, and sesame oil, and served in a rich beef broth. You can also find more food options from nearby restaurants or food stands before picking out a spot along the river. Seoul offers a perfect mix of tradition and modernity. From the vibrant streets of Myeongdong to the chic allure of Gangnam, immerse yourself in the city's rich culture and flavors. Enjoy every moment and make unforgettable memories in this enchanting city.